Hey there, welcome back. I hope you got some idea what a specular tab does from the last lecture. In this lecture, let us learn something more about specular tab. So let us first add one material to this object. Now let me divide the window into two. This one will be our render mode. Now let us set our intensity to 0 so that no light is falling on the object, and whatever shiny highlights you are seeing now, it is because of the specular. This intensity 0.500 was set by default by Blender, and now let us play with its intensity. Suppose I make it 1. This is the change in intensity. Now let us make a change in its color. We chose orange, and you see specular color is basically playing with the shiny highlights. This is what the specular tab does. Apart from this, it has one harness option. So to explain this harness, I will just define it in simple terms. That is, the harness value spreads the effect of specular color across the surface of the object. Now suppose the default harness value is 50. Let us change it to 1. You see, it spread the highlight, that is the shiny highlight, across the whole object. Now 115 is the highest hardness value that we can have. You see, this restricted the highlights. Now let us set back to 50. This is the moderate highlight. In the coming practice session, your concept on intensity and specularity will surely build up. So stay tuned.